And we have 4 topics we're going to consider this weekend: gospel, church, discipleship, and world. And in many ways, I'm glad that we're starting with gospel, but in other ways, I wish we weren't. And here's why. Because if anything that I say will be considered revolution, it will be what we say in this session as we talk about gospel. Can we switch to the other? I'd like to talk about gospel because I think that there are 2 gospels at play in the Christian world today, and I would like to kind of warn you what I'm about to share could be very disturbing and upsetting, but I ask you to have a very open heart and mind and to think about what I'm going to say in light of your own knowledge of Christ and in light of the Scriptures. And to share this, I'll go back about 17 years ago. I was in Washington, D.C., where I live, and a very famous theologian was in the area, someone I wanted to meet. I had enjoyed his books, and so I set up an opportunity to have lunch with him. We met at a Chinese restaurant, and I love Chinese food. I love soup. I love all kinds of soup, but hot and sour soup I love. And so I